I am truly honored to have been selected as one of the recipients of the 2021 Terry Ishihara Award for Co-Curricular Involvement for my work with Cardinal Solutions. We believe Terry Ishihara would approve of Cardinal Solutions' efforts to promote minority populations in and around the Great Lakes Bay region by organizing interdisciplinary student teams to work directly with our local nonprofits. These Cardinal Solutions students have completed multiple projects to support and lift our community. Some of these projects include logo, branding, and websites for organizations such as the Fresh Air Samaritan Counseling Center, as well as Covenant Healthcare Partners and the Saginaw County Prevention Coalition. We have also designed social media campaigns for organizations such as Women of Colors and Discover Great Lakes Bay. We are pleased to work with Dr. Danilo Sirius to produce a series of problem-solving math workbooks, a training book for educators to help children learn math more effectively. And we hope our most current app project, the SVSU Volunteer app that seeks to link community service opportunities with SVSU student volunteers, will further strengthen SVSU's service to our local community. Although I serve as the director of Cardinal Solutions, I cannot take credit for the program's achievements. Success truly comes from our students' commitment to professionally completing our clients' projects. I'm also indebted to the many faculty who have participated in Cardinal Solutions. Together, these students and faculty have helped complete excellent work. I would also like to thank the Office of Sponsored Programs and the Office of Academic Affairs for their oversight and support of this program. Thanks to those who have nominated myself and Professor Brad Herzog for this award. I'm sincerely thankful for my wife, family, and children for being so wonderfully supportive over the years. Once again, thank you very much.